Hi everyone, welcome back to Awesome Crafter. I'm Lisa and today I'm going to show you how we're going to make a pom-pom using just one toilet tube. All we need to make this craft is one toilet tube, one ball of wool and one pair of scissors. To get started, we're going to take the toilet tube and we're going to open the wool. Firstly, we need to take the toilet tube and we need to squash it like so, just so it's flatter for us to use. Then we need to take the end of our wool and we're going to start wrapping it round. After lots of trial and error and making totally different size pom-poms, the best size pom-pom that I found meant that I wrapped the wool around the tube 200 times, trying to keep it at all times level across the tube because we don't want it like bunching up in the middle, so try and keep it as level as possible. So we're just going to keep going. So I'm going to get on with wrapping it and I will be back here when I've wrapped it round the 200 times. Now we've wrapped our wool around our toilet tube, what we're going to do now is we're just going to snip off the end of the wool and just set that to the side. Then we need to take a length of the wool because we're going to use this to wrap it through the middle. Then we're going to lay the wool down and now we've got to try and remove the wool from the toilet tube carefully because we need to try and keep it as level as possible. So we just need to slide out the tube like so. Then we're going to pop wrapped wool onto the piece of wool that we've got laid on the table and we're going to try and get it as central as possible and we're going to tie that. Like so. Let's pull it quite tight and we'll tie it in a knot. And then I think if we try and flip it over and do the same through the other side for a bit of extra security for holding the pom-pom in the centre. Again, don't pull it too tight that it snaps it. And we can trim off some of the excess pieces. Now we've got that tied and secured in the centre, what we need to do now is we need to cut through all the loops. So we're going to take our scissors and we're just going to cut through all of those. If there's any that you missed, you can go back and just snip through those as well. And do the same on this side. Now that we've cut through all the loops at the edge, what we need to do now is tidy up our pom-pom. So I'm just going to go around the edge and I'm going to try and make it look a little bit level to make it look like our perfect pom-pom. And there you have it. Once you've trimmed all your pom-pom and you're happy with how it's turned out, your pom-pom is complete. I was so glad that I found this hack on how to make a pom-pom using just one toilet tube, and going forward I'll definitely be using this method in the future on my crafts and for things that I'm making. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I'm happy to be able to share this with you, and I will look forward to seeing you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.